show you really quickly how to use a hidden feature in Windows. Only use this if you're in Windows 7 or in Windows 8. Don't use this if you have an older version of Windows. Like, don't use this if you have Windows Vista, because it can cause the operating system to crash. In fact, you can see this in this article here. I've known about this for a while. I still need to pull it up so that I can see the key here to enter in. I'm not going to ever be able to remember all those numbers and letters and all strung together. But let me show you what it is first. It's called GodMode, and all in one place here. So instead of having to go to like control panel, so if I wanted to do this through the control panel, let's say I wanted to edit the services that I have running, I would have to go into control panel, and I would have to know first to go into administrative tools, and then I would have to go into services. So it's all of these steps, and maybe you don't even know where to go. You can edit your services, you can do this thing, but you don't know where exactly to go. So this puts everything in one place. You can see that it also groups it by what you are doing. So the services, remember, was in administrative tools, but I can also see it right there. So I don't even need to know that it's in administrative tools. I can just go into GodMode and see it. I can manage the credentials. I think you can do account management even in these kinds of things. Obviously you can change file and folder options through here. You can change how your Windows search function searches. You can edit the look of the mouse and keyboard. All of your networking settings and functions are here as well. So you can see how pretty much anything you would change in the system is all in one place, and you don't have to go and hunt and find it and go into bunches of different things and search around. And it's just a really easy way of changing things. So I'm going to get rid of my own GodMode here to show you how to create it. So I'm going to just delete that shortcut. And there it goes. So how do we do this? We're going to right click on our desktop. So we right click, we go to new, and we select new folder. And we're going to rename it. But what we're going to rename it is this. And I will post this in the section below the video, so that all you need to do is copy and paste it, just like you're seeing me do right now. So we're going to copy that. We're going to copy all of that exactly as it is right here. No extra spaces at the end or at the beginning. It's just from just before the G to just after that bracket. And let me just be sure I did select copy. Yes. So we're going to double click this. No. It's not going to let me do it. So we right click, rename, delete all of that, and then we just paste that in there. And you're going to see it doesn't show GodMode. I don't think it will. Okay, it does. But when you paste it in, all you'll see is this. So don't think that it cut that off. It didn't. It's just not enough of a box to keep everything in. And then you just hit enter. And then you can see it changes to just GodMode there. And the icon is going to look the same as your control panel icon. Your control panel icon and the icon for GodMode are not going to look the same as mine, because this is a icon set that's unique to Windows 10. This is what the Windows 10 icons are going to look like. Your icons are probably going to look different. And then you just plunk that wherever you want, and there you have GodMode. Nice, easy little hidden feature. Easy to create, easy to use. Makes making a lot of the settings changes and things in your system really easy to find, much quicker than going into control panel and looking in tons and tons of submenus and things. So that's just a little quick tip